Walking around the show floor at FABTECH is awesome. Seeing massive machines like fiber lasers and water jets, panel benders, press brakes, plasma cutters, robots, cobots, and other innovative additive welding and manufacturing technologies going full bore is mind-blowing. But at this year's show, for Josh and me, rising above all the noise, we heard a group of young welders bantering and cheering on their buddy at the FroniusWelding booth. And let me tell you, it was a vibe and one of our favorite experiences at FABTECH Atlanta 2022. These 5 students are 3 weeks into their welding education at Georgia Trade School, and they are loving it. FABTECH had them pumped about the industry and what their future in it might look like. Here we're going to bring you in on some of the experience and candid conversation that we had with these welding students.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Yeah!
Yeah!
Took him a second, but he got it.
Yeah!
There we go, baby. Come on, that's at least 30. It's all new to us.
Very cool.
Let's see it. Oh, I love it. Have you done that before?
Yes, I have.
Yeah, awesome.
3 weeks.
Awesome! 3 weeks into welding school.
Sitting there, that looks good, and then when you're done, you'll be like, check this out.
3 weeks of school, you know.
So you're 3 weeks into welding school. How are you feeling about it?
It's amazing. It's great.
Man, it's
So I'm learning so much every day, you know. It's amazing.
What was the school again?
Georgia Trade School.
Georgia Trade School.
Georgia
Shout them
Trade
out.
School.
Acworth, Georgia. Come on, Georgia
Oh
Trade
yeah,
School.
yeah. Let me get your badges so I can get your names.
Best school in Georgia. Check it out.
Yep.
Best school.
Oh, yeah.
Best school.
Oh man, that's a pretty good endorsement from
I
a
mean, look at
student.
us. Look at this group. I mean, come on.
I love the enthusiasm. My gosh. Yeah.
He's teaching 3 weeks to be welding in a community open plate. Like,
That's incredible. Did you guys have any experience before you started?
No, it's not at all.
Really? Wow. So what was the draw? What was the draw to going to welding school?
It went through like the generation. Like my granddad was a welder, and like ever since I was little, like I was all into it. I knew like the information stuff about welding, but I was never hands on. Like, and this is my first time. It's pretty nice. Again, Georgia Trade School.
Your cousin went to the school.
I got to start watching all the videos, so I just wanted to go learn it.
Awesome.
That's so cool.
I come from a family of trades. My brother's in the trades. I just needed to branch out. I needed to go to a different trade because we got carpenter, we got electrician, we got plumber. So welding, welding was it.
Somebody's got to fill that spot,
Right?
right?
Yeah.
Might as well be you.
Contractor, your house.
Everything free. Come on.
Seriously. It's the family business.
The whole family.
We are trades.
We are.
Yeah.
Same thing with me, you know, school, I went to college for a year. It wasn't really my thing. Didn't like it. I was making good grades, just couldn't do it. And I decided to do a trade, found welding, and I really like it. It's an art form to me.
Yeah.
It's more of a hobby. I really like it, but you know, I want to make it my job. I want to make it my life. So I'm really
That's
excited
so
for this
rad.
opportunity to be here and see all this cool stuff.
This show's rad.
Isn't it so cool?
Even though robots probably take over our jobs in the future.
But you can even, I mean, learning, like, knowing the process before you go into, like, learn the robotic process, because then you can make the adjustments on the robot. You can make, you know, that if you have to have that hands-on experience to really, you know, take that next step with automation. Even.
Somebody still has to tell the robots what to do.
Yeah, that's what the guy told us out there. He said,
For now.
Yeah. Have you played
We
with
need
that?
Until they
coders,
start
bro.
telling
We need
us
some
what to do.
coders, bro. This is the 21st century. We need some coders out there.
Have you guys played with the cobots at all?
no.
You gotta go.
Where?
So like Lincoln, Miller.
Like a table with the robotic arm on it.
Yeah. No, it's really easy. They show you how to quick program and set the cobot, and they show you how to operate it. So ask them for a demo. How about you?
Oh, my grandpa was a welder, and so I just wanted to do it like he did, so that's about it.
That's super cool, guys.
We chatted with these guys for a few more minutes, but we wanted to share this bit of the conversation with you because, man, if you've been in the welding trade for a few years, sometimes it helps to look back. Remember that initial excitement and drive that you once had. We hope you'll be inspired to try out something new or even revisit a process that you haven't played with in a while. Maybe you'll regain some of that enthusiasm just like these guys have now. Thanks again to Xzavier, Collin, Daniel, Spencer, and Jacob. And thank you for watching.